In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Dying Light 2 Steam api64.Dll error in just 5 minutes. If you've been struggling with this issue, don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step to get you back in the game without a hitch. First things first, we'll need to open up the Steam client app on your computer. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, the next step is to navigate to your library, where you'll find a complete list of all the games you own. Now let's locate Dying Light 2 in your library. Once you've found it, you'll want to right-click on the game's title. A menu will pop up, and you'll need to select Properties. This option will open up a new window where we'll make some important adjustments to address the Steam api64.Dll error. In our video demonstration, we're showing this process using Counter-Strike as an example, but the steps will be exactly the same for Dying Light 2. So once you're into the Properties window, click on the tab labeled Installed Files. This is where we can handle the game's file integrity and ensure that everything is in order. Next, you'll see the option to verify integrity of game files. Go ahead and click on that. What this does is it checks all the files associated with Dying Light 2, comparing them with the ones available on Steam's servers. If there are any files missing or corrupted, the system will automatically download and replace them, ensuring that your game can run smoothly. Now, you'll need to be a little patient while the system completes this verification process. The length of this process can vary depending on your system's speed and the size of the game, but it generally doesn't take too long. Once it's finished, try launching the game again to see if the issue has been resolved. If you find that verifying the game files didn't do the trick, or if the problem persists, we recommend reinstalling the game as a last resort. To do this, simply right-click the game again, select Uninstall, and confirm any prompts that appear. Once it's uninstalled, you can download and install Dying Light 2 afresh. This ensures you get a clean start and can often fix more stubborn file issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Steam api64.Dll error and dive back into Dying Light 2 without any further interruptions. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!